My name is Stephen V. Irvin. I'm here to present to you how to create a spinning wheel widget. And this is an introduction only. Thank you. Okay, we're going to create our circle now, our spinning circle. We need to insert a shape. And they have an oval here, and I'll attempt to make a circle out of it. It doesn't always work out really well, but a little practice, you can get pretty good at it. Okay, the second thing I want to do is I want to insert some lines, but I need to put them outside the box for a minute because the blue line on the blue background is not going to work out too well. Okay, so I'm going to right click and outline. I'm going to make it black and style, make it a little thicker. And then I can connect these lines to my circle. And I'll just copy it, make some more copies to wrecked around. I'm only going to bisect it for pi segments, so we can rush this along a little bit. So I'm going to put there we go. Okay, next we need to put an arrow on there because we need something pointing towards the segment. So we're going to insert again another shape and obviously an arrow shape. We're going to put it between here and aim it right at that circle. Obviously I need to change the attributes a little bit. Again, make it black, and I'm going to make this one a lot thicker. That'll be my arrow pointing towards the spinning wheel. Now we need to add some text, so we're going to insert a text box, and I'm going to put one up here and give it a value of 20. And I'm going to insert another text box and put it down here and give it a value of 40. And obviously you give each one a value. Scoot it over a little bit, try to center it, make it cute later on. But you can also rotate these around so that they, whoops. So that they're in the position that you want once you get done. Okay, now I've done that. I want all these to work together, so I need to get them to work as a group of objects so that when they spin, everything spins. So I need to select all the objects and right click, see where it says group, and say group. Now these are all together as one group. Another thing I need to create is my action button, so I'm going to insert. Again, I need to find shapes and get down and get me an action button. The custom I can sit and make myself down here. I'm going to put that. It'll pop up and ask you to change it, but leave it on none for now. But I am going to play a sound, and I'm going to play drum roll. And I'm going to say okay. I need to put some text on there. It says spin the wheel. And you can right click and change the fill colors, things like that. I want to change it to red. You can also add some animation to this if you want. So we're going up here to animation, emphasis, and we're going to get, where's grow shrink? There we go, grow shrink on that one. Okay. Then we're going to animate this circle, this object here. So we're going to highlight that. We're going up top and we're going to say animations again, emphasis, and get down to spin and get the whole thing spinning. Okay. Then we're going to go to change any attributes to the spin or anything you want to do. You need to go to animation pane. It comes up on this side. And I need to get the group 18. If you get on the timing, it lets you set what triggers that, what triggers the spin. So I'm going to say start the effect is my button at the bottom. And I'm going to say OK. So now that anytime someone or myself touches the spin button when we're actually running the program, we should see the wheel spin and hear the actual sound.